Hey guys, it's Rosa, and today I'm actually going to be reviewing this Vantrue 11.5 feet USB-C Hardwire Kit, which is designed for dash cams and the 24/7 parking surveillance. Now, if you've ever wanted your dash cam to stay powered even when your car is off, this is basically what makes that possible. And I also needed to change it because I didn't want the wires exposed that came with my dash cam. So let's get into it. So first, what this actually does is this hardwire kit connects your dash cam directly to your vehicle's fuse box instead of plugging it into your cigarette lighter. Like I mentioned, also has exposed wires, and it supports the 12-volt to 24-volt vehicle. So it works with cars, trucks, SUVs, even buses. Now the output is 5 volts at 2.8, which is exactly what most Vantrue USB-C dash cams need to run smoothly without interruptions. Now stick to the end, you're actually going to see how my camera looks once I installed it with this. Now, one thing I really like about this kit is the built-in low voltage protection feature. This is honestly one of the most important parts. It has the dual stage protection, meaning it monitors your car battery and automatically shuts off power if the voltage drops too low. Now for 12-volt vehicle, it cuts off around 12V or 11.6V. And for the 20-volt vehicle, it cuts off around the 24V or 23.2V. And what that means is, in real life, your car battery won't completely drain if your dash cam is running while parked overnight. And that gives a lot of peace of mind, especially if you're using parking surveillance mode regularly. Now, let's talk about the main benefit. The 24/7 parking surveillance. Once installed, your dash cam stays powered even when your car is off. So if anything happens while your car is parked, whether it's movement, impact, or attempted theft, the camera is still recording. This is a big upgrade compared to just plugging your dash cam into a standard port that shuts off when your car turns off. Now, another feature I think is really convenient is the Acc functionality. And what this basically means that the hardwire kit knows when your car is on or off. So when you shut your engine off, the dash cam automatically switches into parking mode. And when you start your car engine again, it instantly switches back into driving mode.